people. This is Nidhi from Edulyx, powered by scienceathome. Hope all of you are doing well and coping well with COVID-19. So we have brought to you very exciting science activity today, and what we are going to make is a fluttering butterfly. I know this sounds surprising, but we are going to make it. What do we need for that? We need a newspaper, some crayons, Fevicol, a card, something like a wedding card, and a pencil, and a pair of scissors, a balloon. Now, how are we going to make it? Let's see. So, first what we are going to do is we are going to draw a butterfly here. You can draw the butterfly as big as you want, not so big, but, and then we are going to cut it with the scissors. I have cut my butterfly already. This is my butterfly. Now we are going to trace the center portion of the butterfly into a card, be it a marriage card or any other card, and then we are going to cut it also like this. So I have cut the center portion also. Now what we are going to do is we are going to stick the center portion with the butterfly. We are going to spread it. And then stick it. So here's my butterfly. Now you can color your butterfly with the crayons. See, I'm going to color it with which colors? Let me see. I'll color it with orange and green. So here is my butterfly. It doesn't look so pretty, but we'll do with it. You can make your pretty butterflies and post your videos afterwards. This is our butterfly, and this is the balloon that we wrap to our head. Now when we bring the balloon near the butterfly, let's see what happens. We can see the wings of the butterfly flutter and move towards the balloon. So why is this happening? So this is happening because when we rub the balloon to our hair, what happened is some of the electrons transferred from our hair into the balloon, and the balloon became negatively charged. The butterfly is positively charged, and when we bring the balloon near the butterfly, there is flow of static electricity, due to which the butterfly seems to flutter its wings. Hope you liked today's activity. Now what you have to do is you have to make your butterflies and you have to make it flutter and post the videos on Facebook, Instagram, and tag us at @Edulyx, and the winner of the competition will win gift vouchers, and we'll post their videos to our own social media outlets. So this was presented by Edulyx, powered by scienceathome. Bye, take care.